It's that time of year again, SEMA 2019 at the Las Vegas Convention Center. Come see us at booth 10639, where we'll be featuring our 360 concept. We'll be celebrating our 50th Spanesi anniversary. We'll be unveiling for KTL Restorations the Pinnacle truck with a custom paint job in our spray booth, along with several other products such as our benches, our measuring systems, our welders, and our new feature product for 2019, which is our pull-up system, which not only allows you to pull with glue on minor damage, but major damage also. Again, see you at SEMA, booth 10639 in the North Hall of the Las Vegas Convention Center. Wait, do you hear it? Where's the other 3 semi-trucks?